2020 Lincoln Corsair cabin filter. If you want to know where it's at and how to get to it, it's going to be behind the glove box. You're going to need to remove the glove box. You're going to go ahead and open it. You're going to need to remove this door first, and then you're going to go after these Torx T25s and remove those. And you're going to pull the whole unit out, but you need to remove the door first again. You press these stoppers in on this side and then this side. And once you do that, the glove box will kind of lower a little bit more. It's being held up by the damper right now, but we got to get it off the hinges that are back down here. All you got to do is pull the door towards you, and it will unhinge itself. Okay. Now you can access these Torx right here. You're going to take all these out. Again, these are T25. You're also going to need to remove this panel here before you go ahead and pull the whole glove box out. It's just get a screwdriver, stick it in here in the corner, and just pop it off. It's just held on with clips, but it's going to get in your way right here. You don't have to take it all the way off. Okay, once you have the T25s out, you're going to need to just kind of grab the corner and you can just pull the whole thing off. It's just clipped in. There's these clips that are holding it in. The whole thing will come out, but before you rip it all the way out, you have a light right here that you're going to need to disconnect. You can either unplug it or you can turn it. It'll actually come off like that, and then you can lower the whole thing out of your way. And the cabin filter is located right here. You're going to need a Phillips screwdriver to undo this screw here and here before the access panel will let you inside to actually get to the filter. Screws out. All you got to do is go to the side here, push this tab to the side, and pull down on the door. You're going to do that on both sides. This side over here too. The door will come down, and there's your filter there. And then the link, I'll leave a link down below for a new filter. We're going to check this one out here. If you need to get one, this one is super clean. This car is really, really new. Not going to replace it, but you just end up pulling the whole element out and popping the new one back in. And hopefully this video helped you out.